When you order the Ultimate Wash Kit, what you're going to receive is 3 boxes. One box is going to have everything from the Advanced Wash Kit. You're going to receive everything from the Wheel and Tire Wash Kit. And the third box is going to be the Interior Cleaning Kit. So Advanced Wash Kit is what you need to wash the exterior paint of your vehicle. So we're going to start off, we got the 2-bucket method here. We have 2 nice dollies to put the 6-gallon buckets in a 6-gallon bucket so you can fill it with 5 gallons and then you're not going to spill the water out onto your shoes. We got the gamma lid, so when you're all done with the wash, you can wipe everything, dry everything out, put all your product, all your tools back in, seal it up. You don't have to worry about getting dirt, spiders, all the nasties in. We have 1 grit guard in for the green bucket. It's going to have your soap mix in. Then we have another grit guard and a washboard in the red bucket that's just going to have clean wash water. We're going to wash our wash mitt against the washboard there to get that clean. We include 2 nice microfiber wash mitts. These are great. The reason to make it a little bit faster, but we use 2. Pro tip of the day: if you ever drop a wash mitt, you ever drop a towel, set it off to the side, go get a clean one. Don't drop it on the ground. Pick it up and touch your car. That's how you can swirl and scratch your vehicle up. We have a Geon cuffed wash mitt. Cuffed, it's a little bit smaller. It's going to be great to get into the areas of the door jambs and the rocker panels. We're going to wash those last because those have the most contamination on them. 2 Geon silk dryer towels. Towels are amazing. Let's walk around the front here. I'll show you else what we're going to do product-wise. First thing you do is we have Geon foam here. Geon foam is a great pre-soak foam to help when we wash and rinse the vehicle off. We'll use Geon Bathe. So Geon Bathe is a great soap, perfect for ceramic-coated vehicles. If you don't have a ceramic-coated vehicle, it's going to work just fine with you on that. That's going to go in the green bucket here. We'll also provide a measuring cup here. Look, soap's expensive, but when used properly, it's very economical per car wash. Geon Bug and Grime, so that's going to help get the bug splatter off the car. Please, if you got bug splatter on the car, get that off as soon as possible. Don't let the acid from the bugs etch and destroy your paint. If you have any tar spots on the vehicle, use tar, get them off, let the tar dissolve it. Don't go in and try to rub it real hard to get it off, use tar. A little pro tip here too is if you run across traffic paint, you get traffic paint in your vehicle, Geon tar is going to help take that off if it's fresh. Once or twice a year, we recommend using Geon iron. That's going to take the embedded iron particles out of there. If you ever come across, you wind up, and occasionally if you wind up with water spots on the vehicle, Geon water spot remover will help get the water spots off your ceramic coated car safely. Here's the pro secret right here. So this is how we're going to include Geon wet coat. You do this in the wash, it's going to increase your hydrophobic properties. What are hydrophobic properties? That means big water beads. That means big water beads, high gloss. You're going to have the shiniest car in the neighborhood, at the office, with your friends. That's going to be your secret. We're sharing it with you today. And then in between the car washes, Geon ceramic detailer. If the car is super dirty, don't use this. Light dust, go ahead, use it, take it off. Use a fresh towel, you're going to be good. If you come out, you got a big bird bomb, big bird crap on, use Geon ceramic detailer. That'll help get it off. If you don't want the bird crap, we'll set it on the car. I'm standing in front of the wheel and tire wash kit. So what we have here is we have everything that you need, all the tools, all the chemicals to wash your wheels and tires the safe and effective way. So we have here, first thing we got is we have a nice rolling dolly for the bucket. Nice big casters, 5-gallon bucket. Has the gamma lid, so when we're all done, we can put this on, put all our tools, chemicals back in here, so it stays nice and dry and clean. Nice thing here is we have a grit guard, so the grit guard is going to separate any of the dirt in the bottom. And the nice point is the washboard here to wash our tools off against as we're using it. For the tools, we have a boar's hair brush here, so this is a super soft, really just nice brush. So it's soft, nice soft boar's hair brush. They're not going to scratch or damage those expensive rims or wheels that you have. We have a nice brush here to get inside the fender wells to clean. We also have a dedicated brush to go in and clean inside the barrels. So behind the rim faces, behind the wheel faces. That's going to be the pro tip right there. That's going to make the vehicle just look great. A real nice, another boar's hair brush. So this is to go in and clean the lug nuts. How many people clean the lug nuts? Well, you will. Clean the lug nuts, get those tight nooks and crannies that never get clean on your rim. That's what you're going to use to clean that. Then we have a nice stiff bristle brush to clean the tires. And then we have a real nice set of microfiber towels that are available. So we use black because black looks cool, but then they're dedicated to drying the wheels, maybe even in the door jambs. The thing is, you don't want to use those towels on the rest of the body where you could damage the rest of your paint. The thing we're going to use here, Geon wheel cleaner, excellent top of the line wheel cleaner we recommend. Geon tire cleaner, get that black tire really black. And then to top it all off when we're all done, hit it with Geon applicator pad and Geon tire to make the tire just pop. So this interior cleaning kit, it's all the products, all the tools that we use to professionally clean our clients' cars when they come to Immaculate Paint Protection. We're going to provide those to you. So what we have in interior cleaning is we have a product to clean vinyl plastic. We also have dedicated microfiber towels that we use with the vinyl plastic cleaner. We have a high quality leather cleaner that works great on leather or leatherette, and a dedicated microfiber towel to use with the leather cleaner and to use it with the leather cleaner. We also have an interior quick detailer. So this is great for in between washes or light smudges on electronics and nav systems, light dust. Spray this on, just wipe it down, quickly get the interior clean. We have a solution to clean all your glass. So the trick here is dedicated microfiber towels that are designed for glass and a great glass cleaner that we provide. Now, the only thing we don't provide with this kit is the vacuum. Bring your own vacuum, but we will share one of our pro tips here, and that's a nice pet hair tool. So this can help remove pet hair, and this nice crevice tool for getting in those hard to reach nooks and crannies when you're vacuuming your car out. Check us out at ImmaculatePaintProtection.com for the best way to wash your car, truck, or SUV. We'll show you precisely and specifically how we use all these tools and all these products in action.